Bitch, I can't believe we about to launch our own business.
Girl, right. Oh, Lord.
Girl, they sure need to shop your lip oils, honey. Her Everlasting Boutique.
Exactly. It'll be the best decision they ever
Girl,
made.
right. It's on moisturizing the hell.
I'm a bad bitch. Don't let them tell you that I'm average. Ex do mad cause he can't have it.
I ain't got no heart to left from the start. I feel like fuck everybody. We gon' wash our hands up for bleach, nigga, for everybody.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiana Lashay. If you're new, I'd gladly appreciate if you take 1 second and go down below and hit that subscribe button and bell right next to it so you can be notified of all my future videos. In today's video, I have some exciting news. Like, I am super excited. I'm just like amazed at how I can't even explain the moments leading up to this, because it was kind of an idea that I've had for a while now, probably like a year or two ago, and I kind of talked myself out of it because I wasn't exactly sure, and I was using the same excuse as a whole bunch of other people do. Well, it's so many people selling this and the market's so oversaturated, like no one's gonna buy from me, like nobody knows me and no one's gonna buy from me. And I just kind of gave up on my dream, and it's just like I really just basically gave up on it. And I just kind of was like, I was super excited. Like, I'm a very motivated person. I'm a Scorpio. I'm motivated. I just, I just want to succeed. I just have to succeed. So when the first thought popped in my head of like starting my own business, it was probably like 2018, the end of 2018, beginning of 2019, and I kind of was just like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna start my own business. I started looking up samples. I started googling how to do this, how to do that, and then I kind of got in my head like, ain't nobody gonna buy from me. Like, I don't have the money to do this. I don't have the time. Like, I just like, I wouldn't succeed if I start my business. Like, my business wouldn't succeed. So I kind of just like, whatever, and I just ordered a shitload of samples of everything, and I kind of just set it to the side and just left that dream where it was. And I want to say, like, it had to be last month, or I want to say it was like last month, the beginning of last month, my sister called and she was telling me about how she had this idea of starting her business, and she thought I should pursue my dream of starting mine like I always wanted to. And I was like, you're right, yeah, we should do that. Like, that'd be dope. Like, we both starting our business, like we both basically sharing and helping each other grow, and basically like just being each other's support system when it comes to stuff like this. Like, me and my sister, we're like, that's my best friend, and like she stayed right behind me. Like, she stayed right here behind me. And like, a lot of people will tell you, like, everywhere she go I go, everywhere I go she go. Like, and they like, y'all just can't get away from each other, because like, that's my best friend. And we both, when she was like, yeah, let's do it, and I was like, yeah, and when she was like it just kind of put fire in my ass. Like, let me just start digging deeper, like looking into people who's selling what I want to sell, and taking ideas and inspiration and seeing how they ship out their order, package their order, where they get their supplies and equipment and all this stuff from. Like, just basically jotting down, just noting, just jotting down, just looking up stuff and trying to figure out, like, if I do this, how can I succeed, and how can me and her, bounce ideas off each other to see, like, hey, like, that's cute. Like with our logos, like, we actually sat here in my room and we both was like, hey, like, she was getting her logo custom made by someone, but the person was taking like decades. So I was just like, hey, well, let's I was like, I got on Etsy, and I was like, hey, let's scroll through Etsy and see, because I seen something pop up on, I think I was on Pinterest, scrolling through Pinterest, because I'm always on Pinterest, and I was scrolling through Pinterest and I seen a little template logo, and I was like, hey, we can buy this and make it our own. Like, at least start off with something, like buy it and make it your own. So that's the first tip I have for you guys. If you guys want to start your business, look on Etsy if you want to first start off with something, just to basically, because like I said, we didn't really have the money to start off with our business, but we made it happen. So we did, we basically made our own logos. We kind of went, I would say, don't want to say like the cheapest way out, but being that we're just starting up, we just went with a way that we can take inspiration but tweak it to make it our own. So we both got our logos. So you know, the logo, you'll see my logo in a second, because I did order some business cards and some thank you cards. I don't think I put on my thank you card, but anyways, yeah. So after doing that, we just like will bounce, like we'll get on FaceTime and we'll just bounce ideas off each other. Like I have a big old board, like I have a board over here that I have my business name on top of, K-Lux Galore. If I didn't mention it, my business name is K-Lux Galore. And I put what I want to sell, the inventory that I need, the name of each product that I want, and you know what I need to do to make my business reality. Like I need to create a website, get a logo, I need to take product pictures when I get all my products in, I need to basically promote myself on Instagram, I need to come up with bomb hashtags on Instagram to draw people in. Like I was just basically researching everything, like taking gems from different business owners already, successful business owners that's selling what I want to sell, and I was basically putting my own spin on it basically. So now that we're here, I'm going to share with you guys where I get my products from, and I'm, you know, basically Amazon. I'm just Amazon. Go to Amazon, has just like everything, and like I got on Amazon and just ordered everything that I want to sell. So here it is. We're gonna start off with my lip scrub containers, which when I ordered them they were the wrong size, and I guess I'm gonna just do these as like sample size of my lip scrubs. But I got these lip scrubs from Amazon, and they're like extremely small, so they're not the size that I wanted or thought it was, because you know, reading is fundamental. And I got 150 of them, so it's a bag full of lip scrub containers. So yeah, I did get those, and I do have little storage containers over here that I'm going to sort everything in, and after I kind of disinfect it, then I'm put stuff in it for that. And then the next thing I ordered was my lip gloss tubes. I got these off of Alibaba. I'm pretty sure if you want to start a business, you heard about Alibaba, and it's like, you know, where you can get all your wholesale needs from lashes, lip gloss, clothes, jewelry, all that stuff. So I ordered these lip gloss tubes from Alibaba. They're pink. I wanted them to be the same pink as this, but I don't know if you can see that pink, like that. It's pink. I don't know. Yeah, maybe my light's too bright, but it's like a light peachy pink. It's like a light blush pink, this is, and this one's like a darker pink. So I ordered those off the Alibaba, and I think it's like 100 pack, and I paid like $72 for 100. And from Amazon, a few items I got from Amazon was I got some almond oil for my lip gloss. I basically just grabbed a whole bunch of oils and stuff and scents. I got some pigment color, I think it's called matcha powder, for lip gloss, just in case you want to do different colors. I got it, it's a 12 pack of green, pinks, blues, peaches, oranges, and stuff like that. I got mint flavoring for my lip gloss. I also purchased some vanilla fragrance, because if you know me, you know I love vanilla. And I also purchased a whole jar, it's like, well, a whole box, it's like 12 flavors, whatever you want to call it, of different scents for your lip gloss. Lemonade. As you can see, I've already opened this one because I, you know, made a test test lip scrub, and I'll put a picture on here, or you just go to K-Lux Galore and follow me on Instagram and you'll see the pictures already. But it's got peach, which smells amazing, and strawberry, and these things might be tiny, but a little bit go a long way because they're super strong in scent, so that's good about that. And I think it's like $19 just for this. And I also got some lavender leaves, which my sister opened to make her lip scrub, so her lip oils. This is her lip oil, which is like hella moisturizing. Like it's dope. Like, you know, she used that to make her lip oil, and it's like a relaxation lip oil that she made using the lavender leaves. and I was going to use some to make a lavender lip gloss. And trust me guys, everything's sanitized. We're not over here just digging our hands and stuff. Like, we're washing our hands, putting on gloves, making sure everything is, you know, safely packaged and, you know, put together for you guys. So no worries about that. What else? Let me see what's behind me. Some gloves I stole from my mom. Don't tell her. And I got some squeeze. I got some little squeeze tubes, the little tubes for the lip gloss. I want one pink tops, but I can't seem to find one, so I gotta do deeper research for that one. I got some little squeeze tubes, and I think my favorite tube of lip gloss is squeeze and not wand, but you know, to each his own. What else did I purchase? Oh yeah, I got some little labels. I ordered these from, where did I get these from? Vistaprint or Avery's. But that's my logo. As you can see, K-Lux Galore. I ordered these labels from Avery's, and they came. So I think I got these today. I got these today with my business card. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. I ordered like 2 different color packaging because I wasn't sure exactly what color I wanted. I got this from Amazon. It's like this rose gold, and I think I paid like, it's a pack of 25, and I paid $14 for a pack of 25, or probably even less than that. I don't know. See, that's why I say Amazon is your best friend, because they have stuff up there that's like super dirt cheap. So Amazon. I got some roses, some rose petals, because I wanted to make some lip gloss with rose petals in it. I got more oils, and I got 2 things of castor oil coming tomorrow. I got coconut oil, and I got some jojoba oil. Yeah, some jojoba oil. And like I said, I did get I'm sorry, I'm just all out the frame, but I did get some containers and stuff from Walmart to kind of organize this stuff in. But I gotta sanitize them because I just picked those up today. Well, I don't know what my camera cut off at, but like I said, I don't know if what you guys last seen, but if you did see that scale, I purchased a scale from Amazon. And I'm not sure if you guys seen the labels that I purchased from Amazon, but like I said, well, like I thought I said before what I said, I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. And I hope you guys go over and follow me on Instagram at K-Lux Galore. Or if you want to keep up with me, my personal page is Kiana Lashay 2_. And I want to thank you guys just for watching and supporting and following your dreams. So we ain't accepting nothing less than success. So I'll see you guys on this video. Peace.